The wind's blowing everybody all over, guys. The guy on the left on the red boat, he's half under the dock over there. The guy in this blue boat, he's getting blown backwards. Sideways, I guess. Welcome everybody to Milo's new adventure, guys. We're out here checking it out. Hey man! Pretty good. Seeing what's going on. Yeah! Very windy, very... Uh-oh. What happened? This guy break down? Uh-oh. I guess he broke down. Boat sliding in on us, guys. Oh yeah. Very windy, messed up day, guys. So touchdown. Touchdown, guys. Touchdown. Very dark day out, guys. Very dark, not much light. Oh yeah, breathe in, Big Daddy, breathe in. Guy almost ran into that other guy up in the parking lot. Guy coming through. I think they got it. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Oh, look out. Look out! I'm gonna be yelling in the parking lot about something. Oh, look out, guys. Having a hard time getting up to the dock. Look out, look out. Uh-oh, look out. Come on, bring it in there, Big Daddy. Darn it. Look out. The wind's blowing everybody all over, guys. The guy on the left on the red boat, he's half under the dock over there. The guy in this blue boat, he's getting blown backwards. Or sideways, I guess. The boat on the left there, he's up under the dock on that right corner. You'll have to shove it off. Oh, look out. The guy with the Sea-Doo over there is trying to get it on the trailer. Okay. The guys on the right, they're making it out of there. Let's see what this guy's doing. Over there working on that bridge still. They're on out of there. Sylvester come by. Ah! Sea-Doo out. Bye-bye. All right, here we go with the big boat, guys. Let's see what happens. He's going for it hot. Yeah, bring it in there. Whoa, I heard that. He must have one of those things. Thank you for telling me about that out there. I didn't know they had the type that locked in like that. So thank you for telling me that. There's so much stuff that has changed, you know. I didn't want to really come over in the morning time because how that sun messes the picture up so bad. The last video or two, that sun really messed it up. So I tried to come over this afternoon, and it's pretty dark out. So, they on out of here. Just getting it together there. Trying to get out of there. These guys. You got the Sea-Doo. Boy, it's a dark day here in Florida. Cold, dark day. I guess you can kind of tell with all the blankets and everything. Big Daddy. Yeah! '60 Bass Tracker. Kind of reminds me of the boat the other day. They made it, guys. They made it. Oh yeah. I'm not sure what this guy is looking for. I think he might be trying to get minnows, but I'm not sure. Here they go with that bass tracker. Yeah. That guy's still over there trying to get minnows or something out of there. All right, here he goes, guys. Stay out of here, guys. Stay out. All right. Yeah. You guys up north having to have to deal with all that bad weather. Be careful, guys. I think about it. I do think about it. Be careful out there, guys. Not much you can do about it, but yeah,